What if I told you there's a tiny golden berry from the Arctic that could help your skin stay younger, brighter and firmer naturally? A berry so rare that it's called Gold of the Nordics, and skincare companies are quietly adding it to their most expensive anti-aging serums. Yes, I'm talking about cloudberries, and today I'm spilling all the science-backed tea on why they're your skin's new anti-aging BFF. Stick around, your wrinkles won't thank you later if you don't. Before we dive deep, have you ever used any berry-based skincare before? Blueberry? Raspberry? Let me know in the comments. Meet the star, cloudberries, these bright orange, jewel-like berries that grow in the Arctic and subarctic regions, places like Norway, Finland, Sweden and Canada. They survive extreme cold, absorb tons of sunlight during long summer days and pack all that energy into their tiny fruit. They're rare, hand-picked and insanely nutrient-dense. We're talking 50 times more vitamin C than oranges, plus vitamin E, ellagic acid and omega fatty acids. Basically, cloudberries are nature's concentrated skincare capsule, anti-aging powerhouse. Cloudberries are packed with ellagic acid, a polyphenol that blocks enzymes that destroy collagen. One 2022 study in Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology showed ellagic acid reduced wrinkle depth by 18% in 8 weeks. Free radicals? Cloudberries laugh at them. Their anthocyanins neutralize oxidative stress, the #1 cause of premature aging. Think of it as sunscreen from the inside. Dark spots? Cloudberry's vitamin C inhibits melanin production. A Finnish trial found 5% cloudberry extract lightened hyperpigmentation by 22% in 4 weeks. Rich in omega fatty acids, cloudberries are incredibly rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which are essential for strengthening the skin barrier, preventing water loss, enhancing elasticity, reducing inflammation. If your skin is dry, sensitive or gets easily irritated, cloudberry oil helps seal moisture inside and keeps the skin looking plump and youthful. This is one reason Nordic people use cloudberry seed oil to protect their skin from harsh, cold climates. Loaded with antioxidants. Cloudberries are loaded with antioxidants. They slow down aging at the cellular level. Their strongest anti-aging antioxidants protect skin from UV damage, prevent collagen breakdown, fight free radicals, slow down the formation of wrinkles. UV damage is the biggest cause of premature aging, and cloudberry helps reverse and prevent this damage. If your skin is developing early signs of aging from sun exposure, cloudberry extracts can help repair that over time. Natural glow booster. Because cloudberries are rich in vitamins A, C and E, they help your skin look brighter, smoother, more even-toned and naturally radiant. Vitamin E in cloudberries also soothes irritated skin and protects it from environmental pollution. This makes cloudberries a great ingredient for dull, tired or stressed skin. Hydration without heaviness. Cloudberry seed oil is lightweight and non-greasy. It absorbs quickly into the skin and works well for oily skin, combination skin, acne-prone skin. It hydrates without clogging pores while delivering anti-aging benefits. If heavy oils break you out, cloudberry is a great alternative. How to use cloudberries in your skincare routine. Cloudberry seed oil. Best for moisture, elasticity and glowing skin. Use 2 to 3 drops at night. Cloudberry serums. Great for anti-aging, brightening and collagen support. Cloudberry moisturizers. Ideal if you have dry or sensitive skin, and if you have the fresh berries, make a DIY cloudberry mask. Mash 3 to 4 fresh cloudberries, add 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon yogurt, apply for 15 minutes, rinse for an instant glow. Do not store. Who should use cloudberry skincare? Cloudberry is amazing for every types of skin. Anyone with early signs of aging like fine line and wrinkles. Basically, if you want youthful, glowing skin, cloudberry is a great ingredient to try. So, are you adding cloudberry to your routine? Let me know in the comments. Smash that like button and subscribe. See you in the next video.